The forest floor holds secrets that modern science is finally starting to catch up with, especially when it refers to our own mental clarity and physical resilience. People are moving away from that jagged, jittery caffeine high and looking for something more sustainable. That is exactly where Stonehenge Health enters the frame with their Dynamic Mushrooms blend. It is not just a single ingredient supplement. It is a full-scale tactical team of fungi designed to help you stay sharp and healthy. You have probably heard the buzz about lion's mane by now. It is the superstar for cognitive function. It acts like a tune-up for your brain cells. But this formula adds way more to the mix. It includes Reishi, Chaga, and cordyceps. Each one brings a different strength to the table. Reishi is often used for its grounding properties and immune support. Cordyceps is the one athletes love because it focuses on stamina and oxygen flow. Then, you have turkey tail and chaga, which are like a shield for your immune system. They even threw in Shiitake, Maitake, and Agaricus bleze. It is a massive variety. One of the most important things to look for is the word extract. A lot of cheaper brands just use raw powdered mushrooms. That is basically just eating dried out fiber. This formula uses concentrated extracts instead. This process pulls out the actual active compounds that do the heavy lifting in your body. It makes every single capsule much more potent than a standard powder. The goal here is a balanced approach. You are not just targeting one single issue. You are supporting your brain, your energy levels, and your internal defenses all at once. Taking it is very straightforward. You just need 2 capsules a day. It is best to take them with a meal and a glass of water. This helps with absorption and makes it easier to remember. Do not expect a total transformation overnight, though. Natural supplements are a slow burn. They work gradually as they build up in your system. You really need to stay consistent for several weeks to feel the full effect. This is about long-term wellness rather than a quick fix. Quality control is another big part of the story here. These capsules are made in facilities that follow very strict manufacturing standards. There are no unnecessary fillers or junk inside. It is just the functional mushrooms you are looking for. This is perfect for someone who wants to simplify their routine. You do not have to juggle 5 different bottles to get these specific benefits. It is all tucked into one simple daily dose. When you combine this with good sleep and a decent diet, the results can be really noticeable. You might find that the mid-afternoon brain fog starts to lift. Your energy feels more level throughout the day. Your body feels more equipped to handle the daily grind. It is about giving your system the tools it needs to thrive in a high-stress world. If you want a convenient way to tap into ancient wisdom with a modern twist, this blend offers a very clean and effective path forward. It is a smart way to invest in your future health without overcomplicating your life. Success with this supplement comes down to patience and daily commitment. It is a solid choice for anyone serious about their vitality.